dito sa Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Pinalitan niya si Perkins kaya biglang lumiit ang lineup ng Phoenix. Sangkalan. Escandor. Trying to make a way around Andrada. Francis to the cup. No. Chua with a cleanup. Good.
One of the things that he has always done well.
Pwede na yun, Rep. Kayo naman, di naman siya dyan.
Ayun!
Ito, highlight para kay Lastimosa. Sayang naman yung highlight ni Johnson to.
Vergara.
Ito sa'yo ni Jeron. Highlight din naman to. Pwede na. Kayo naman. Pero basta ako, galit ako. Ian gives it up. They swing it. Alfaro to the other corner. Andrada. He's a three-point specialist.
Yeah.
In on cue. Di tayo pinahiya. Cool. Flips it over to Xavier. And Magnolia takes the lead. Theo. Goes to the right side. Show hard si Andrada. They go to the left. Escandor bounces it inside. Balongay up and under. The step through is good. Balongay now with 4 points. More importantly, tinapla niya ang ating labanan sa 38. Pull-up jumper. Buffin delivers. Baroka will pull up for 3.
Yan, ang kilala ng Baroka.
Kanina, puro blanco para kay Andy Mark.
Sumali siya kay Lastimosa.
5 biglang abante ng Magnolia. Johnson gets the triple back.
Okay lang.
Play through.
Play through, yeah.
Gotta love the flow right now on this rainy Wednesday.
Three-point shot.
Polo. Buffin buries it. Di kumapit yung Pectus dyan. Johnson to Dio. Trying to slither his way through. Tyler inside with a hit. Magnolia's lead is 3, 46-43. Nakakalahati na po ang ating ikalawang yugto. Buffin with those huge strides. Dilagay nila.
Euro step na yun. So I said, parang please.
We head into this timeout. Pero bago yan, silipin natin ang play of the half natin sa ating Sports Plus. Sinaguba siya ni Perk. Andun pa rin naman si Tuffin. 5 to shoot. Baroka releases. That's good.
Pagpasok niya, nakatulong ka agad. Itong si Buffin.
Rivera scored 7 points on 2 of 4 shooting in 8.5 minutes of action.
He did against his team. And we're only in the second quarter.
Magnolia's lead is 5. Buffin in traffic. Hands in the air. Because of foul trouble. Rivera trying to get around Buffin. His sidestep. Huli ni KJ. Mukhang na-scout ni Buffin yun.
Look at that. He's behind him. Ayun, naabang na siya.
Kapit na naman sa kanyang kanang balikat doon.
Kanina pa yan.
5 on 4 for Magnolia this way. Buffin. Bang! Isang foul pala.
Rivera.
Richie to the cup.
Bagsak na naman si Rivera. Bagsak na naman si Rivera.
Nagmamadali Magnolia. 5 on 3. Dahil pinulot pa ni Johnson si Rivera sa kabila. 10 ang kailangan bunuin dito ng Phoenix with just over 2 minutes remaining in the first half.
Oh, what-
Lalim naman nun, no?
Nice move. Great play design of the baseline inbound.
Johnson in trouble. Loses control. Xavier. Back to Baroka.